Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. How to practice English speaking. We generally take up a topic and we start speaking on it. But it's not only about that. Many times we get stuck with what topic to take. We get stuck with what ideas we need to, talk about in that topic. So there are lots of things which goes in our minds and we are not able to perform at our best. So today I'm going to tell you a technique how you can organize your thoughts and how you can organize your topic or your speech or your conversation. Okay, so I'm going to take up a topic and I'm going to help you with how you can talk about on that topic in a well organized and fluent way. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. So today I've thought of taking up a topic and speaking on it, but it's going to be a little different than usual. I will not just take a topic and speak on it. Rather, I'm going to break it down into different segments so as to tell you how you can think about it, how you can come up with sentences, and finally how to speak on it. Okay, in a well organized way. If you're a beginner also, if you follow these tips and tricks, you'll definitely be able to focus and speak fluently and confidently on any topic very easily. So yesterday was Children's Day and I planned a small surprise for my daughter. So I'm going to talk about it. So the first thing is the topic which I chose was something which I have done. Right? Yesterday was Children's Day, so I thought of planning some, surprise for my daughter. And since I did that, so I just thought of taking up that topic because I'm very familiar with it. I have done it, how I planned, everything I know in and out about it. So if you take up any topic from your experience, from your life, from your actions or activities which you have done, it will be much easier for you to speak on it. So the first thing you have to take care of or you have to keep in mind while choosing a topic is this. Okay, take something from your personal life or your life or which has happened to you. Any action you have done, any activity you have done, any experience you have had, or anything which you have witnessed, right? If you know things, if you know about it completely, it will be much easier for you to speak or put forward it in words. Okay, so try doing this. Take up any instance from your real life and then speak on it. Whatever you have celebrated something, you have experienced something, you have done something, you've created something, etc. Okay, anything it can be. Some cooking you have done, some exercise you have done, you went to the gym or you did some walking or you played with some kids, anything. So you have to keep the topic in mind, what topic you are choosing, and it really makes or break a conversation. If you know things about it, if you have full information about it, if you know everything in and out about it, you will definitely be able to speak on it. Okay, number 2. Now, since I've chosen the topic Children's Day, I planned a surprise for my kid or daughter. So I'll just think about right now what all things I have to talk about. So I'll take some phrases or main ideas or main points. I'm going to collect all my thoughts first. So if you can just collect your thoughts in your mind or you can write it down in your diary or in your laptop or mobile. It's your choice. Okay, whether it is digital or on paper, it's your choice. So jot down your ideas, come up with related thoughts what you want to talk about. So let's try this. What I want to talk about Children's Day or how I planned Children's Day for my daughter. Okay, so children's excitement first. Surprises, cakes and chocolates, gifts, feel special. Okay, all these words are related to celebration. Okay, or how I celebrate it. So I just came up with all these words. Okay, then art and craft or a card, Children's Day card, celebration in school, celebration at home. Okay, so these are the related words which I have come up with just to talk about what I did for Children's Day. Okay, or how I prepared, how I got the idea. Okay, so all the words related to Children's Day I have just come up with and I have just jotted down or have just jotted it down. Okay, so this is easy, right? If you can't come up with a sentence, you can just come up with some words related to it. Like celebration, children are excited or very excited. Okay, gift, Children's Day card, Children's Day celebration in school, right? Cakes and chocolates, nice dinner. Okay, so these things you can come up with just to describe something, what words we use. Okay, what phrases we can use, you can just come up with. Just jot it down. So this is the second step. Coming to the third process or third step is now we have to come up with sentences related to those words. Okay, children are excited or Children's Day excitement, special day. So we can come up with a sentence. Children's Day is very special for kids or Children's Day is a very special day. Every child is very excited about this day. There is a Children's Day celebration in school. My daughter was also very excited about this day. She was looking forward to surprises and gifts. So I planned a small celebration for her. When she went to school, I prepared a small art and craft for her. I prepared a small art and craft flower stick for her just to wish her happy Children's Day. She was very happy to see that. Later in the evening, I got her a cake and burger. This is how we ended our day with sweet and happy note. Okay, so this is how I described the entire celebration, what I did for her and what we had here. Okay, in the same way, you can also add multiple sentences or more ideas also there. So whatever ideas you have, first take 2 minutes to collect all your ideas, write it down or collect it in your head, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay, so initially, if you're a beginner, I would suggest if you can write it down, all the ideas, like, some words which you can just come up with sentence about, like celebration or happy or dinner or a cake and chocolates, right? Children's Day celebration at school, Children's Day celebration at home, surprise gift. So these are the words which are related to the topic. So you can come up with those words, and later on when you see those words, you will be able to come up with a sentence on it on your own. Trust me on this. It really helps you to speak. It will give you a direction. It will give you an idea on what you have to make sentence. For example, we have taken this word celebration. Now we know this is a word and we have to make sentence on it. So what kind of sentence we can make? There was a Children's Day celebration at school. I thought of celebrating Children's Day at home. Or we had a celebration at home for Children's Day. Or we had a celebration at home on the occasion of Children's Day. So you know it, right? This is a word and you have to come up with sentence related to that word. Gift or a surprise gift is a word. What sentences we can make? I planned a surprise gift for my daughter. Okay, or I prepared a surprise gift for my daughter, right? Or I gave her a surprise gift. So you will get a direction, you will get an idea on what to make sentence. You will not be blank at that time, like what to say next. One sentence I've spoken, what to say next. So you'll not get blank. So that is why this is the best idea, or this is the best way of starting to speak on any topic. Right, so get into the habit of doing this. Come up with a topic which is related to your life, event or anything, okay, which I've spoken about. Second is break it down into words. Come up with all the words related to that topic, whatever you can come up with. It can be a short sentence, incomplete sentence, also phrases also. That's absolutely fine. Children's Day celebration, right? How I celebrated, whatever. Whatever comes to your mind, just jot it down. Okay, and then the third step will be come up with sentences related to those words. And you'll find it much easier for you to make sentences as well. As I gave you an example of like celebration or a surprise gift. Start doing it. Try once. I am very sure it will be very easy for you to speak on that topic in this way. Initially, it will be a little slow, but you will pick up. If you start doing it every day for 10 minutes, and after 30 days, you will see a lot of difference. You have to be regular. Every single day, you have to give 10 minutes to this. Take up a topic, think of the related words, and come up with sentences with those words, or vocabulary, or sentences, or phrases. And you will see a lot of difference at the end of 30 days in your speech, in your conversation skills, in your communication skills, and in your speech. It's a very helpful exercise, guys. Try this to see the difference. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.